Ngiyacela bandla ningisize bantu bami ba-TikTok engikhathele bandla lempilo. Sicela ningisize bandla ongaba nawo amandla ukuthi angisize ngiyeke lento engiyibhemayo. Ngiyanicela bandla, anginababa kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi kodwa bakhona engithembele kubona abangangisiza ngoba ngicela nakunina mhlawumbe ningaba nalo usizo bengicela kodwa-ke sisazokhuluma. Inkosi nibusise. Amen.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. In the video lesecurely tag lapha ku TikTok yemfana lomncane was asking for help ebantwini baka TikTok ngokuthi ayekele kubhema titsakamiva. Uthi akasana batali, akasana yemake, akasana yebabe futhi njena akasafuni kuyenda lento la yendako. So she's asking for help ebantwini ngokuthi alabanawo mandla bakhone ukumsita. We've seen abantu abaningi baqala sito guys ebantwini baka TikTok, and we know ukuthi some of them they do get help because guys TikTok inemandla kakhulu and inebantu who are capable of changing impilo atebantu. Umfana lomncane lo siyambona uma umbuka ngazi uthetshele ukuthi he has mentally ill, ngani uright akaguli nje nokugula into njena letitsakamiva labatibhemako letigcina tenta umuntu ukuthi uzombone ngazuthi akekho right mentally, uzombona umsaba ngisho uhlangana naye endleleni because lento ave imosha timpilo tebantu labaningi, timpilo tebantwana labancane. This child was supposed to be at school ndlela mncane ngakhona, but I'm sure ukuthi umntwana lo drop out nasesikolweni just kokuthi ahlale estradini abheme titsakamiva. And for someone kokuthi abe brave asho ukuthi ucela lisito akasayifuni into, kungcono kakhulu kunokuthi umuntu umfostele ukuthi akahambe aye rehab or akahambe or akayekele rara titsakamiva. But if someone asho avuma velena ukuthi lento yabona ukuthi yamqelata yamhlupeta, kuyafana nje nokuthi usejele uphila kabuhlungu, uphila ngokuqela, uphila ngokutshontsha just because kokuthi kufuna satisfy tidzingo atali titsakamiva. So ndlela TikTok inemandla kakhona, I do believe ukuthi lo mntwana lona he will get the help that he is asking for. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.